Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase visualization techniques with Qlik detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin increasing visualization techniques with Qlik, start by understanding the fundamentals of data visualization. Familiarize yourself with the Qlik interface and its key features. Open Qlik Sense or Qlik View on your device. Navigate to the app where you want to enhance visualizations. Next, explore the available data sources and load relevant data into your app. Once the data is loaded, go to the sheet where you want to create your visualization. Select the type of chart or visualization you wish to use. Common options include bar charts, line charts, and scatter plots, among others. Drag and drop the fields you want to visualize onto your selected chart type. Ensure that you appropriately set the dimensions and measures for your visualization. Adjust the color and style settings to improve clarity and aesthetics. Add labels and tooltips to provide context for your data insights. Use the sorting and filtering options to refine the displayed data within your charts. Consider creating multiple visualizations for different aspects of your data analysis. Once your visualizations are created, organize them in a logical flow on your sheet. Explore Qlik's storytelling features to create a narrative around your data. Utilize objects like text boxes or images to enhance your visual storytelling. Make sure to preview your visualizations in different devices to ensure responsiveness. Seek feedback from colleagues or stakeholders on the clarity and impact of your visualizations. Continuously iterate based on feedback and new insights you discover in your data. Lastly, keep learning about new visualization techniques and Qlik updates to stay ahead. Utilizing these steps will help in increasing your visualization techniques with Qlik effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.